hands of a working man built this town. Cleared this timber and plowed this ground. Raised those cattle in the sun and snow. Dammed that river and dug that coal. It's a debt we owe to the hands of a working man. And my granddad had 'em and my daddy does too. Back home there ain't much else to do. Put food on the table and you fill up the tank. Hey, what you owe to the boys at the bank. Live another day thanks to the hands of a working man. Working hard from the sun up to the sundown. They can build it tall, they can tear it on down. They got the know-how, if you got the money. Hit you hard as a hammer if you pick a fight. But they'd rather hold a pretty girl tight tonight to the rough and dirty, strong and sturdy hands of a working man. Now the hands of a working man look kinda funny, sticking out of white shirt sleeves on